Like you take me home.
No. You look like one hug.
I'm back in the place and you know that we there do a video, you know. I know video on the school now. We're back on the school and everything, but me I sick. You see people, it's sick. Me have cat boy. I'm not 2-2-1 video, but me have a DV. Make all around have pleasure and joy and now go on the bed and watch me sure. You see me sure. You see people stuff. Here we go. Emma, here we go. I forgot to tell her how the video about. The video is all about me. I go to the girls them and ask them, say, am I cute enough for you to take me home? You see me? That's the video is all about. So here we go, people. What's your name?
Tiana.
Alright, Tiana. Nice name I got though. Yeah. Alright. Question for today. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
No.
Me ugly?
Yes.
And a scale of 20 then, how much me ugly today?
10.
Hey! Hey! 10?
Just have to say
Look
that you're
good.
fine when you're not really.
Look good. Look good. 10?
Or you just have to say that you're fine.
What's your name?
Asian Thompson.
Tassian?
Michaela.
Alright. The question for today. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
No. No.
Why?
You're ugly. You're ugly.
Say that you're fine.
You're
when
ugly.
You're not really fine.
You're ugly.
Me ugly? You sure me ugly? Me don't look better than your boyfriend?
Me not have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
No, you not can't let me man not there.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not
Hey.
really fine.
What's your name?
Maya.
I am Maya. Hey. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
No.
Why?
You're too fat.
You too yeah, boy. What?
Yeah.
What are nothing? I look a fat man, I have money nowadays, you know, that you don't know, you know.
Money no make my head.
Money don't make your eye. So if you take up one that will help you.
You never hear about broke money in shoe.
Broke man in she own.
Let me take all this bomb. That's trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Bomba! That's 6. Yeah, man, 6 is real. That's it. Alright, the question for today. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
No.
Bomba, but me I say 6, say yeah, say 6. What make that?
No. I only found out daddy one, Kevin, so sorry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that.
Name?
Tati.
Alright, Tati. The question for today. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
Yeah, you can go on.
Lie!
Say yeah, you can go.
Alright. Name?
Chevanil.
What?
Chevanil.
You not hear well.
Chevanil.
Jesus Christ, somebody diff me. Chevanil. Correct. Alright, the question for today. Question for today. Am I cute enough to take me home?
No. You look like one hug. You look like one hug.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
You have to look better. You're nothing more than 6 months.
They ask you how you are, you just
Nothing more than 6 months.
What's your name?
Tamara Bailey.
You know I know your last name, Bailey. Miss Bailey.
Timara.
Timara. The question for today. Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
Are you what?
Am I cute enough for you to take me home?
Not really.
Not really? Not really?
Not really.
So me don't have a chance.
It have one little chances,
So
but not
what could I do
really.
to improve a little chance?
Fix up yourself better. Talk better.
Yeah, boy. Come on, like, share, and subscribe right now. You see that? Smash up the like button. You see, and comment and do you see me there? Me I sell a but you know say me whole of video drop phone here. Yeah. Enjoy yourself and laugh. You see. Remember to like, you see it, and share to everybody who don't know. You know. And thanks to all the people who subscribe. You see it. Yeah, my friend. Something like that. Something like that. Subscribe to my channel. Alright, thanks for your support. You see it. Alright, people.